A very good morning from Team Wordaholics. At Wordaholics, it has been our endeavor since 2015 that students across India and across the globe master those difficult words which are very, very important from the competition point of view. Also, these words help you sound sophisticated in social settings and in your work environment wherever you are working. So, it has been a pleasure interacting with all these students across these 5 years. Now, as is the tradition at Wordaholics, we'll be discussing 5 words that are very, very important from your competitive point of view. Those are nihilism, nitpicking, non-pareil, nuances, and obdurate. Now, out of these 5 words, the words that we'll be discussing today are nitpicking, nuances, and obdurate. We'll be leaving 2 words which are actually meant for the advanced course. We'll be discussing that later. So the first word we'll be leaving it for the time being. If you're interested in this particular word, if you want to know more about this word, you can pause this video and have a look at it. The word that we're going to discuss today, first word, is nitpicking. The meaning of nitpicking is nagging, irritable, sarcastic, picky, particular, fault finding. Basically, nitpicking is fault finding, finding faults in someone. Hindi would be nukhta-chini karna. Antonym of opposite of nitpicking would be to encourage someone, to laud someone, to praise someone. Nitpicking is finding faults, and antonym would be to encourage someone in that sense. Nitpicking sounds like nitpicking, as is the word. Pronunciation is nitpicking. Now, how do I remember this word for a long time? Imagine a doubtful wife. She will become even more nagging. She will become even more irritable. She'll become sarcastic. She'll become fault finding if you're not picking her phone. So nitpicking sounds like not picking, not sounds like but looks like. If you remove the word I for O in the left hand side, just look at the word which has been underlined. Look at the left hand side, it has been underlined. Nitpicking looks like not picking. If you're not picking someone's phone, if you're not picking your wife's phone, if you're not picking your girlfriend's phone, she'll definitely get irritable and nagging and sarcastic in her behavior. So how are we going to use these words? Usage: religious nitpicking, nitpicking debate. Sentence 1: if I had to nitpick one thing about Asus, it would be the lack of fast charging. It takes 4 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. That is finding faults with the Asus phone. Sentence 2: men don't judge taste when they to cook themselves. Guess then they do not have enough energy left to nitpick. Sentence 3: the SP asked the lady inspector to organize a party, and when she refused, she started finding faults. He started finding faults and began to nitpick even the small issues. Sentence 4: the Indian team was the only team which did not nitpick on the referee's decision, was not fined for indiscipline. We'll move on to word number 3, which is non-pareil. We'll be leaving it for the time being because it's actually meant for the advanced course. Interested in this word, you can pause this particular video and have a look at the word. The next word is nuances. Nuances is basically subtlety, the finer details of particular thing, nicety, refinement, tone, undertone, tinge. Nuances are the finer details of a particular art or craft or thing. So these are the subtlety, the small things which make up the entire particular thing. So Hindi would be barikiyan. Antonym is garnishes, coarseness. Pronunciation is nuance. So how do I remember this word for a longer time? Imagine dancers. So whenever a new dance form evolves, the old generation dancers need to study the subtlety, the undertones with precision. If you look at the word nuances on the left hand side, if you look at it, it sounds like new dances. New is underlined, and dances, if you just put a D, it will be new dances. So whenever new dance comes, a new form of dance comes, the old generation dancers need to study those finer details of that particular dance, the subtlety of those, the refinement of that particular dance, so that they can be at parallel with the new generation dancers. So usage is exploring the nuances, interpret the nuances, the refinements. Sentence 1: traders and the public are yet to understand the nuances of the new taxation system. We are talking about the GST, and some feel that they are still in the dark. Sentence 2: Amazon's Saheli will offer training and skill development to help interested women understand nuances related to online selling. Sentence 3. Nivesh India initiative is meant to connect serious investors who wish to understand the nuances of the equity markets directly to the industry experts. Sentence 4. When the foreign Bahu took over, doubts were expressed whether she would understand the nuances of Indian politics. We're talking about Sonia Gandhi over here. We'll move on to the last word for today, which is obdurate. Obdurate means someone who is adamant, someone who is inflexible, somebody who is unshakable, heartless. हिंदी वुड बी ज़िद्दी, अटल, अटल जो अपनी बातों पे अटल रहे, who is ज़िद्दी, will not move from his word. Antonym, somebody who is submissive, somebody who is yielding, who yields for somebody else. Is a submissive person is the opposite of obdurate. Pronunciation is obdurate, obdurate in one single go. So how do I remember this word for a longer time? What is the smartest strategy? What is the mnemonic strategy? Imagine a negotiation happening. You have gone to purchase a particular product from the market. You are negotiating with the seller of the particular product, and imagine he asking a rate which is not the due rate, which is not the actual rate. He is asking something which is higher than that particular rate, and you people, both of you are negotiating. Beyond a certain point of the negotiation, you will find that both the sellers and buyers have become adamant, they have become inflexible. You're saying that I want it for 100, and the other one is saying he will not let it go without 150 bucks. So you are fighting for the due rate of that particular product, and you are obdurate. Both of you are behaving, you're showing a behavior which is obdurate in nature, which is adamant, inflexible in nature, obdurate behavior. So what are the usages? Usages: government remained obdurate, obdurate stand on you have taken a stand on something, that's an obdurate stand. Sentence 1. An obdurate college administration called in the police and protesting students were lathi charged. Sentence 2. Pujara's transformation from an obdurate accumulator of runs to a free-scoring cricketer must be most pleasing for India. Sentence 3. India's obdurate stand has been effective in creating the impression that the idea that voting over Pakistan-occupied Kashmir is unworkable. Sentence 4. RBI governor's obdurate stand on inflation meant that he upset many in industry as well as the ruling party at the center. That's all for today from Wordaholics, and as we keep requesting our students and we keep on motivating them to sound sophisticated and score more, and if you want to help me in my mission of helping 10 crore students across India out of the 33 crore students that India has, sound sophisticated and score more and learn these vocabulary words for free, you can ask them to SMS ADD or WhatsApp ADD to 9546307452 to receive this power words daily for free. Also, we are offering a particular book that has been compiled by me over the 5 years of, it has taken me 5 years of research to actually publish this book. This book is live on Amazon Kindle, and for Amazon Kindle Prime subscribers, they can read this particular book for free. This will help you with the simple, effective and practical secrets, what actually works, the secrets, the hacks, the shortcuts of language learning ninjas, so that you can learn English in a very fast time and impress people in just 30 days, not 90 days but just 30 days. The book is live on Amazon Kindle. You can look at the link and go and buy this particular book. Thank you so much. That's all for today from Wordaholics.